stock market can feel overwhelming, but having the right tools makes all the difference. That's where Vyfin comes in. Our mission is to help retail investors manage, grow, and preserve their wealth through powerful fundamental analysis tools. Today we will introduce Vyfin, show you how it works, and explain how it can give you an edge in the markets. Let's dive in. Our goal is to make money in the markets, but getting there can be challenging. Our goal is simple, to empower you with the tools to make informed, data-driven investment decisions. The platform provides in-depth financial data, company fundamentals, and valuation metrics all in one place. Here's how you can use it effectively. Stock Screener. Filter companies based on revenue, profit margins, and financial health. Fundamental Analysis. Dive deep into balance sheets, income statements, and cash flows. Comprehensive Overview. See how all the top industry performers compare against each other in size, scope, and scale. Unlike other tools, Vyfin prioritizes clarity and usability. No more complex spreadsheets, no more walls of numbers, just actionable insights that help you make smarter investment decisions. We integrate real-time data, aka quarterly and annual SEC filings, to give you a full picture of any stock. Vyfin's biggest advantage is you can now compare how a large number of stocks are performing relative to one another. For example, instead of just looking at each of the Mag 7, you can compare their performance to each other to easily see who's performing the best. Let's do a quick example run in Vyfin, so you can get a feel for what you're working with. We've gone ahead and hit Add Filter, and we're going to select Quick Ratio. 3 white nodes appear with stocks connected to them. You can grab one of the white nodes and bring it to the center of the screen. Each of the colored nodes represent a company. We're going to demonstrate what happens when you select multiple filters. In this example, the second filter we're going to use is total revenue. Upon using multiple filters, you can see a network begins to emerge. This is where Vyfin showcases its true power. By looking at the small, medium, and large designation, as well as the color code, you can see who the top players in the system are and who's competitive with them. Let's look deeper into how we define small, medium, and large. To define small, medium, and large, we take the worst performer and the best performer and divide that value by 3. In each metric, anything that falls between the bottom left value and the top left value is designated as small. Anything that falls in between the top left and top right is designated as medium. And anything that falls from the top right to the bottom right is designated as large. It's critical to understand the color scheme. Blue represents a cohort that is average. As we move from light blue to dark blue, it represents improved performance among its peers. Yellow represents distinguished performance among the cohort. You can think of the natural progression from blue into yellow, and then as we move from yellow into dark orange. The darker the shade of orange, the more distinguished the performance of that particular stock is relative to the cohort. Purple represents outstanding performance. These companies can be considered outliers among their peers. Purple really tells you that their performance is substantially better or substantially worse than their peers. Now that you've seen the Vyfin interface, what the colors mean, and how the links are established, you have a completely revolutionary way to view financial markets in their interconnectedness and competitiveness. We look forward to seeing you at our other videos, where we will demystify and simplify financial metrics, as well as provide commentary on how the markets are evolving on a quarterly basis. See you soon.